See, I know ये question बहुत पूछा जाएगा. Lot of people will ask me about Jasmine, and my reply would be same. I don't know Jasmine. She was pretty young. 22 साल की थी. We all, when we were young, we always had those impulses. होती है ना कि यार, this is not done, यार, I'll do this.
Sure.
Breakup होता है, किसी से झगड़ा होता है. We try to go extreme. So when it happened with Rubina, I think she took it very seriously. But then we were explained nicely, and I said it's okay. It's not a big deal.
Yeah. And that is how you.
ये सामान आसमान छुएगा.
Welcome to Bollywood Bubble, Abhinav. Amazing journey inside. A lot of people I know felt that it was undeserving, or they felt a little let down by your eviction. But also there is also a section who felt कि अरे ये तो बहुत पहले हो जाना चाहिए था, अभी इतना लेट हुआ है. You know that there are both sides to it. How do you respond to it? What do you think?
See, firstly, this is how the so-called show is, the game is. Evictions होंगी और कोई ना कोई जाएगा, और उस दिन कोई भी जाता, he would have been the one who have covered a big journey, जिसने बहुत दिन गुजारे हैं वहाँ पे. Of course, मैं और रूबी मतलब पहले दिन से थे, बाहर नहीं गए थे, तो हमने ज्यादा एक लंबा सफर तय किया था. But I think it's how the game is. This is the design of the game. This is what we signed up for. We knew there are nominations. We knew there are eliminations. So I'm okay with it. But yeah, the that tag of boring, जो घर वालों ने create किया, so they kept on hammering that tag every time. So that might have convinced जो बाहर से लोग आए हैं उनको to vote me out.
Right. But also during your journey, we saw you made a lot of friendships inside. Of course, the one was with Jasmine, which particularly we all also liked a lot in the beginning, but that took a different turn altogether by the end of it, wherein we saw that Jasmine in fact said that that she doesn't consider you a friend anymore. Recently we saw that she said Rubina ko ki aap ugly woman from top to toe. How do you see? How do you react to all of this?
See, I know ये question बहुत पूछा जाएगा. Lot of people will ask me about Jasmine, and my reply would be same. I don't know Jasmine.
I think आपने वो एक ही line में reply कर दिया.
Yes.
Yeah. But did it come as a shock to you though, at all?
About what?
Whatever she has been doing of late, आपने अभी तो देखा होगा, पढ़ा होगा थोड़ा बहुत.
See, that's what I'm saying. I don't know Jasmine. It doesn't matter.
What about, Abhinav, apart from other things, of course, I really wanted to ask you about this, because I remember it came as a shock to me when Kavita, whom you were actually very good friends with, she went out and there were certain allegations that were made, and of course you also stood your ground when you were asked to do Weekend Kawal. Now that you are out of that house and in your comfort zone, right? How do you, in retrospect, how do you see that entire episode about her allegations? How do you want to respond to that?
See, that happened while I was in the show, ठीक है, and वो उसी show में solve हो चुका है वो. In presence of Mr. Khan, Salman sir ने बैठ के बहुत अच्छे से दोनों को समझाया, and that matter is over, and I've left it there in the Big Boss house. I am mature enough. I am outside the house now. I won't do anything, which जो मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए, because जो show है वो उधर ही रह गया, उस set पे रह गया. So everything I've left behind. So it's done and dusted. It's over.
But will you say that you will still be friends with her, or that friendship is definitely not there anymore?
No, we are not friends.
You're not friends. I think ये पूरे journey में आपको काफी revelations हुए हैं friendships को लेके, because that is something which I have seen. I think it was an eye opener for you in a lot of ways. But now coming to you and Rubina, Abhinav, I know I have been one of those people who loved both of you. I don't know if you remember, but we have done a nice couple segment when previously, right? I know the kind of bond that you guys shared. But of course, a lot of revelations were made inside the house, which were heartbreaking as well. But also, I felt that it was strong for both of you to confess and to accept that there were problems, right? And today, if I have to ask you, I know that you've mentioned that things have been resolved, and of course, it is on a better route. But what is the first thing you're going to do once she's back from the house, with or without the trophy? Doesn't matter, but that will be your space, away from public, away from the gaze. What is it that you're going to talk about?
I think as much as I know her, she's going to tell me, "Yeah, please let's not talk about Big Boss house for a few days. I just want to like unwind. Let's go someplace. Let's chill." So I think that's what Rubina is going to do. She won't let me talk about Big Boss the moment she's out. She'll be talking about other things, nature, yoga, meditation.
Yeah.
But as you said, like Big Boss actually helped our relationship. It made it very strong. It actually made our relationship very strong. So thanks to Big Boss for that.
That's true. But again, if I can mention some other thing which really broke my heart was the recent episode before you were evicted, when Rubina actually broke down and accepted that she had suicidal tendencies, and that was one of the reasons why there were problems in the relationship. How did you manage? How did you stand through all of that? And as a couple, how did you manage to wave your way through all of this, Abhinav, if I may ask, and if you don't mind?
Well, she was talking what happened like 7, 8, 9 years ago. She was pretty young, 22 साल की थी. We all, when we were young, we always had those impulses. होती है ना कि यार, this is not done, यार, I'll do this.
Sure.
Break up होता है, किसी से झगड़ा होता है. We try to go extreme. So I think it's a part and parcel of life, and we learn, along the way. So whatever happened with her 7, 8 years ago, I think she has moved on very gracefully. She has overcome everything, because since the time I am with her, I find her very level-headed, very calm, composed, and in fact very thoughtful. So I think she has really worked on herself. And मैंने कभी ज़्यादा जानने की कोशिश नहीं की, history, previous वो, because it's not required. You look at the brighter things in life. You look at the journey ahead.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I think you guys are that way, you're polar opposites, because you are the calm to her storm, I would say. That's how it is. But otherwise, where does that relationship stand today, if I may ask?
That's what I told you. Like, it was actually helped our relationship a lot. जब हम अंदर आए थे, in fact, I had told Ruby jokingly. I said, you fight with me over small petty things. Now you go inside the house and you see the jhagdas, and you will forget your own jhagdas. खुद के झगड़े भूल जाओगे तुम. And exactly that's what happened. Exactly that's what happened. And I was going inside with an opinion कि यार, कि we might end up fighting. But I then suddenly realized that, like me, she's also like pretty, she doesn't want trouble. She never starts an argument, a situation, a problem. And कुछ लोग थे जो करते थे, तो natural था कि हमारी bonding बननी ही थी. So we got even stronger, yeah.
And I'm so happy that has happened. I have to ask you about Rakhi's incident. You guys were friends. I saw there was a camaraderie which was going on. But she calling you Tharki, and then of course you were reprimanded for certain words that were used against her eventually, right? How much do you think was that fair? Secondly, how do you see Rakhi going overboard with a few things himself?
Well, see, I think I've said enough on that weekend ka war. Personally, I'm not designed to listen to those words, and especially जब वो already एक sensitive topic बन गया था मेरे लिए, and I wasn't even talking to her. So listening that word to a person who have told, यार, I don't want to talk to you. You keep your entertainment अपने पास. मैं आपसे कुछ वो नहीं करूँगा. So I got like very angry on that. But yes, again मैं कहूँगा कि डांटा उसी को जाता है जिससे उम्मीद होती है बहुत. तो इसलिए जो भी उस वीकेंड के बार में जो भी I mean, it's okay, it's a part and parcel of life.
But will you be friends with Rakhi as well outside? या फिर
No.
I really want to say this that I think this has been if there's one person who has really had an eye opener inside, it is you, because you've lost a lot of friendships, maybe made a few, but you have come back with your strongest relationship, which is
Yes,
with
absolutely.
Rubina,
और क्या
and
चाहिए
that
लोगों
is
को? Correct.
and that is what matters, right?
Yes.
But do you think that if you two would have gone inside the house separately, that would have been slightly better, or do you not regret going together?
See, it would have been easier, in fact, had we gone like separately, because it's very difficult to hear all those, वो झगड़े, वो लड़ाइयाँ अपने पार्टनर के साथ जो लोग करते हैं, उसको, they call names, they say bad words. It's very difficult to hear all that. इंसान खुद के ऊपर ले लेता है. Like like somebody's arguing with me, somebody calls me bad, calls me names. It's okay, but to the other person who really loves you, उसका दिल दुखता है. So it's moon has both sides. But yes, had we gone individually, it might have been slightly, easier.
But before I let you go now, I have to ask you this. I remember in the first week itself, Rubina had taken a strong stand for you for a word which Salman Khan had used for you, Saman, right? You had reacted, but you had not reacted so much. You were like, it's okay. You did let it slide it off, right? Today, if I have to ask you, how do you want to respond to that? Do you think it was meant in a derogatory way, or did you just take it as a passing joke?
See, again, that's coming back. We hadn't seen episodes of Big Boss, and so shuru में हमें पता ही नहीं था कि that's Khan Saab's sense of humor. He says a lot of things which are like you have to take it in a funny way because that's the intention. So we had no clue that something like this will happen. So when it happened with Rubina, I think she took it very seriously, but then we were explained nicely, and I said it's okay. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, and that is how you.
ये सामान आसमान छुएगा.
On that note, quickly, I will be telling you names of the contestants who are inside, and you can tell me what is that one word you associate with them, perhaps. If you have to define that person in one word, okay. So, Ejaz Khan.
Over analytical.
Rubina Diler.
Fierce.
Ali Kohli.
Clever.
Rahul Vaidya. Wow, that's a lot of thinking going in there.
Rahul Vaidya.
Okay, we'll come back to him.
We'll come back.
Rakhi Sawant. No.
Cunning.
Okay, Jasmine Ghazi.
I don't know who's she.
Devalina Bhattacharya.
Very emotional.
Pavitra Punia.
Again, she's that emotional kind of person. So, one word, I think emotional.
Right. Okay, great. Thank you so much, Abhinav, and looking forward to seeing you and Rubina back outside the house and in all in all your posts and love. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And looking forward to seeing you very, very soon. Thank you.
Thank you.